Hey there, I'm Tabitha Rabbits, and today I'm going to unbag. I'm going to open this package right here, and it's a package that I ordered earlier this year. It got delayed with shipping and everything because of, the situation with the quarantine, etc. But I finally got my package, and I've decided to open it today and share it with all of you. Okay, now I'm not going to say what it is until I open it, but I know, of course. It's a very, very special thing to me, and let's just say that it is going to help me to be more productive. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh. There we go. I'm really excited about this. Can you see this? I'm so excited! This is from BossBabe. It's from BossBabe. I'm so happy. And it is my planner, my 90-day planner. I follow BossBabe on Instagram, and I love all of the posts. I absolutely love it. I consider myself to be a boss babe. So I bought this planner, the 90-day planner, because I want to be able to plan and schedule my time and just be 100% more productive. So this is, it came in this lovely box. And oh, here we go. Oh, tape right here. Just going to, oh my, there we go. And there it is, 90-day planner. Isn't it just the cutest? It's light pink and white, and it says the 90-day planner and the boss babe. I'm a boss babe. I'm a boss babe. Oh, wait a minute. I'm not supposed to do this. I'm a boss babe. Boss babe. I'm a boss babe. I'm a boss babe. Ooh. Sorry. Okay, so here we go. The 90-day planner. The daily resource for ambitious women. Hello, hello. And then it has name, address, phone, email, year, and quarter. Okay, so it says that a boss babe is unapologetically ambitious and paves the way for herself and other women to rise. She is on a mission to be her best self in all areas, confidently stepping outside of her comfort zone to create her own vision of success. Totally. I'm so happy I bought this planner. She believed she could, so she wrote it down, poured herself a coffee, and got to work. They have a bunch of quotes in here. If it's not making me happy, making me money, or making me better, I'm busy. I love it. Each page has like a quote on it. As we gain confidence in ourselves, red flags are no longer red flags. They are deal breakers. So they have quotes on it, and then oh, I like this one. If you're not changing it, you're choosing it. If you're not changing it, you are choosing it. And that is at Mel Robbins. Apparently she said that. Okay, okay, so right here it has a day, like a day of the week, like Wednesday. You have to write in the date. On the top of the page, it says, today I'm grateful for, and then 3 things. So you're listing 3 things that you're grateful for every day. The top 3 goals of the day. Then there's a to-do list. Things that are done, you're taking off. Things that are delayed, delete. There's a time from 6 a.m. until 10 p.m. What else is there? A weekly planner, I think. So there's the days from Monday to Sunday. Then there's a weekly planner section. I love this. Coffee, affirmations, building, empire, repeat. I love it. That's it. Oh my gosh, I forgot this here. This is the first time I'm seeing this. It's the first time I'm opening the planner. This is just the string to mark where you're at. I love it. Oh, I love it. This is the box it came in. And this is my 90-day planner. Oh, I love this planner so much. Right, 90-day sprint. Top goals, top professional goals, metrics that matter, top personal goals, monthly calendar. For each day, each month of the year. Cool. This is cool. Okay, there we go. This is the daily planner. When Monday is your favorite day, you know you're winning. So cool. Don't ever be afraid of being the full package. Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing. Check out my other videos. Don't be afraid. Like, you're gonna love my videos. Just check them out. Okay, see you in the next video. I love this box. It's so cute. I love the pink color. Okay, see you in the next video. Goodbye.